Hi guys, welcome back. DMCA Properties by Kenneth Saron, and we are here today at the Caloocan, in the Kalinea Tower, right beside the MH Del Pilar Street. So here guys, I will show you the scale model for the Kalinea Tower. Yan. So here guys, dito, like what I mentioned earlier, right alongside MH Del Pilar Street siya. Caloocan. So dito din siya malapit sa 10th Avenue and also 2nd Street. So ayan yung mga niya, access roads. So dito rin guys, makikita niyo yung security gate. So, manned by our security personnel din yan. So, entrance and exit area din siya ng mga vehicles natin. So, dito naman guys, kung mapapansin nyo, podium parking levels si Kalinea Tower. So, compared to other DMCI properties, nasa basement level. So, yung properties na katulad niya is katulad ni Valorant Tower, which is podium levels din. And also, you can also see the amenity area. So, located siya sa 4th floor ni Kalinea Tower. So, dito meron tayong lap pool, kiddie pool, tapos may play area, then basketball court. So, ikot tayo dito. Ayan, makikita nyo rin yung ramp ng natin, parking entrance. Ayan. So, dito naman sa tower mismo, makikita nyo rin yung newer design ng DMCI property na Kalinea Tower. So, which is the glass balcony and large windows, and also the trademark of DMCI, which is the Sky Patio. So si Sky Patio naman, tinetake advantage niya yung Lumivent technology, which is the natural light and airflow to come in the tower and the floors. So dito naman sa roof deck area, ayan, nandyan yung Sky Lounge natin and yung lounge pool. So kumukha niya dito is yung The Crestmont. So si The Crestmont, meron din siyang pool sa roof deck area niya. So, para siyang infinity pool. So, yeah. So, ayan yung scale model natin for the Kalinea Tower, so that you will have a reference on what it looks like once na natayo na yung tower natin. So, located yan dito sa sales office natin sa may Caloocan, MH Del Pilar Street. So, if you're interested, you can contact me at my socials and contacts. So I will link those down below sa description and at the end of the video. So yeah, next natin is the unit layout naman. So dito naman guys, meron tayong unit layout ng 2 bedroom. So tara, pasok tayo. So here guys, so una nyo makikita yung living and dining area. And dito sa right side ko is the kitchen. So yung kitchen natin nasa 6.7 square meters. And once turnover, yung included natin is the system cabinets, provision for range hood. Also, meron din tayo kitchen sink, kitchen faucet included. Also the countertop. Pati na rin yung system cabinets below. Yan, ito rin. Included na rin to. So, that's for the kitchen. So, here naman, this is the living and dining room. So, approximately, nasa 21.5 square meters yung living and dining area natin. So, hanging TV na siya. Nandito na rin yung mga electricals natin for the TV, Wi-Fi, and such. So, ayun naman yung included natin sa turnover. Adding on, included na rin yung provision for split type aircon. Yan. Dito naman tayo sa toilet and bath. So, for the toilet and bath, included tong sink, tong countertop na to din, yung faucet. Toilet bowl, also included, and the shower head and soap bar. Also the exhaust. So, ito yung mga recommended design sa 2-bedroom layout natin. So, dito naman tayo. So, bago tayo dito sa bedrooms, meron din tayong ano dito, space for the washing machine. For the space of the washing machine, there's also provision for the washing machine. So, yeah. So, this is what it looks like. In here, this is the bedroom 2. So, it can be a bedroom or you can convert it into an office area or ano, open space lang. So, here kay bedroom 2, nasa 7 square meters or 8 square meters yung approx natin. So here guys, ito yung bedroom 2 natin. So makikita nyo na rin siya, sliding doors to take advantage of the natural light and also larger windows. Yan. So this is the look for the bedroom 2. The size of the bedroom 2 is approximately 6.7 to 7 square meters. And also, pwede mo rin tong i-convert as an office space if ever ayaw nyo siyang gawing bedroom. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo sa bedroom 1 or main bedroom. Ayan. So, sa main bedroom, meron na tayong provision for split type aircon. Ayan. Tapos, yung size naman ng area dito nasa 11 square meters. So, larger cut siya. So, at the same time, hanging TV na rin siya. And also, dito rin yung natin, balcony, entrance, and exit. So, ayan, na rin siya, larger, windows. Yan, to take advantage of the natural light. Yan, so, yung balcony naman natin, nasa 9.5 square meters. Ayan. So, yan guys, ito yung natin reference and guide para sa design. So if ever you're interested in this type of units, just contact me. And we also have a promo. Pwede rin natin yun i-discuss based sa liking nyo or kailangan niyo. So yeah, so that's the unit layout here in the Kalinea Tower. So guys, mention ko na rin, the total approx gross area for our 2-bedroom here in Kalinea is 64 square meters. So it's a larger cut, lower list price, great for investors and smart for home buyers. So if I can, you can, we can buy a property.